It's the end of July and the corn market remains exceptionally volatile. Weather uncertainty, geopolitical developments, price prediction is impossible. We continue to encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. This week we'll take a look at crop conditions, weather, and more. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've reached the end of July here and this corn market remains exceptionally volatile. Let's start out this week taking a look at the latest crop conditions nationwide. Now, we did see a 4 percentage point drop in the good to excellent ratings this week from 67 to 63%. Notice now that that's 10 percentage points less than it was at this time last year. All those states highlighted in red declined from last week. Let's take a look at the aggregate crop condition index now. This is something we've been highlighting here this summer. The potential for that index to decrease or increase significantly. We did see a decrease this week. Now moving forward though, there's still been years where that index has recovered. There's still been years where that index has declined. That's where it's critical that you continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Let's look at crop progress now. Corn silking progress, 78% nationwide. Over the next 2 weeks, corn silking on average increased approximately 19%. So by about that 10th of August, we'll be approaching 95% corn silking nationwide. With that in mind, it's critical we continue to monitor the weather. Let's take a look at the short-term trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at precip the last 30 days. Just to give an idea of where this moisture has occurred across the Midwest there, it's kind of been spotty. There's been some areas, for example, northeast Iowa, southeast Minnesota, have been getting some good rain. But other areas such as southern Illinois or parts of Kansas, even parts of North Dakota have been dry. So that kind of gives you a backdrop. Now let's take a look at the short-term forecast. It looks like there's some pretty good potential for rain this week, July 30th through August 1st. Of course, that's very important with pollination, post-pollination even. Amounts of 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. Forecasts can change, as we all know. That's what's making this market. So hopefully we can get a good drink this week across those areas. Our final slide here, we're looking at precip over the last 60 days. What we're trying to do here is give you a feel for more of a longer-term perspective. There isn't as much red on this chart here, on this map here, so just gives you an idea. That's what makes a weather market. We have seen quite a bit of rainfall earlier this summer, of course, back in June, but it's dried out lately. Let's take a look at rainfall totals now predicted over the next 7 days. Over the next 7 days here, you're looking at some amounts there of 1 1.5 inches, mainly across parts of eastern Iowa, parts of western Illinois, but other areas aren't getting as much, so we'll see how that plays out near term. Let's shift gears briefly now and look at what trends are in Brazil. Now they're harvesting corn in Brazil. It's approaching 60%. The key message that we'll share with you, it looks like it's going to be a big crop and exports are poised to increase notably in August. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn. Now December corn has rebounded here. It's trading about $4.85 a bushel. Notice between now and harvest again the potential for volatility both to the upside and the downside. That's why it's critical that you work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement and avoid price prediction. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 309-664-2300. We'll put you in contact with our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an update. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.